Welcome to a quick tutorial about how to set up the device enrollment program in Jamf Now. On the left-hand sidebar, we'll start on the DEP menu. Then I can click here for a step-by-step walkthrough in text form, or click Download your Jamf Now DEP Token key to begin. So this will initiate a local download onto my computer. For this computer, it's downloading to my Downloads folder, of course, defaulting there, so I'm going to grab this and just drag that out to my desktop here. We can see that on the right-hand side. Next, I need to click out to the Device Enrollment Program page on apple.com. So let's click here and go over to Apple. Now, two options. First, if I'm brand new and this is my first time walking through, I'll click Enroll Now. That's going to create a DEP login for me using my Apple ID. Now, a quick heads up, there is a review period on Apple's end. So Apple is going to go through and verify a couple of things. First of all, that you are an actual business. This is really not intended for individual users, so you will be asked for what's called a DUNS number as you apply. Now, if you're the CEO of a business, if you work in finance, if you've had exposure to that DUNS number in the past, you already know what that is. If that is a brand new term to you, you're going to need to track that down. So get in touch with finance, with your CEO, anybody in the company that would know that DUNS number. That is a number that is given when you register a business. So reach out, find that, and then go ahead and click Enroll Now. If you already have a DEP login, then let's go ahead and click Registered Users Login, and we can complete our workflow here today. All right, so I'm in the main DEP dashboard here. This is what I see when I first log in. It's saying welcome back. And then I have basically a single option here, the DEP portal. So let's click Get Started. Now, a couple of things on this page. I am seeing a long list of servers that are already created here that I've blurred out for security. So this is a list of servers that apply to different parts of Jamf and the number of devices applied to them. I'm, of course, not going to use those existing servers. I need to create my own. So if you're brand new and this is your first time again logging in and walking through, you won't see those, obviously. You will see a blank screen. What you need to do is click Add Mdm Server in the upper right-hand corner. From here, I really have flexibility to name this whatever I want. I'm going to name this Jamf Now Garrett Test 1. Now, there is an option here that is very important to some of you, and for a Jamf server, not important at all. So the key here, if you want to check automatically assign new devices, is do you want Dep to automatically assign those devices to this particular server? So again, if you're in an environment like Jamf, where we have many different servers running different instances of the MDM, and you do not want these devices that you buy or assign automatically assigned to one particular server, then do not check that box. If you're a small and medium business and you're saying all I need is one server, I just really need to get Jamf Now set up and quickly going, and we can just dump any future device onto that server to make sure it works, then that checkbox is for you. Go ahead and check that here if you want to kind of set it and forget it and not revisit MDM server creation in the future. I'll click Next. And now this is where I upload my public key. So remember, we downloaded this previously. That's this right here. So I'll click Choose File. Defaults to my desktop, a couple of document folders, but the only public key that's on my desktop, of course, is the one that I just downloaded there. I'll click Next. And then we download and install my server token. So I'll click here, I'll click on the actual token itself, and once again, that's defaulting to my downloads page. So I'll click and drag this out, and you can see this is a different file type, right? This was a token key. This is a server token. So I'll click Done, and now we're complete. That's it. The workflow on the Dep side is done. So now I can navigate back to my Jamf Now instance, and the final step, click this big green easy button, upload Dep Token. Now, the first key, the public key, is still listed here, but notice it's grayed out. I cannot click that anymore. That is the wrong file type. What I can click is this. My server token, uploading it here. It's going to process that, verify, and then our green check mark at the bottom, it has been uploaded, we're good to go. And now on the left-hand sidebar, I of course see a green check mark next to DEP. That means that my device enrollment program token is verified and I'm good to go. DEP is set up now with this Jamf Now instance.